We head through the rest of the weekend here for pretty much everybody across the state of Iowa. Bitterly cold, not only through this weekend, but into Monday and much of Tuesday as well. We're going to have wind chills probably stay below zero all the way basically until Wednesday. Tonight, as cold as -20. Again, these are for the metro area. If you're in northern Iowa, it's going to be colder than that. Sunday afternoon tomorrow, still at warmest, -10, -5. Monday afternoon, 0. The wind chill Tuesday afternoon, and then it'll be after that. We finally get back to, here's our thaw, freezing on Wednesday. Ooh, big stuff. And then we do also have the chance of maybe some snowflakes too by the middle of this coming week. This doesn't look major, but we'll talk about it. Out the rest the rest of tonight, there's your cold weather advisory again for that icy blue color. Basically covers the entire state of Iowa with the exception of far southwestern parts of the state. -20 or colder. That's not, you know, the most cold wind chills we've ever had, but if you are spending, for whatever reason, a ton of time outside, you can get frostbite on your exposed skin at least in under 30 minutes at that wind chill range. So obviously don't do that. As we head through the rest of tonight, here's where we stand right now. Already -23 in Mason City. Basically, you go along Highway 18 through northern Iowa. We are in the -teens to 20s. -10 in Ames. Feels like -3 here in Des Moines. -6 down in Centerville and Lamoni at this hour. By morning, here's where we start off your Sunday. This is why we have some church cancellations in here. -20s widespread across the state at warmest, if you want to call it that, -teens early in the morning. By the afternoon, -teens to 20 degrees in northern parts of the state. That wind out of the north and west will be gusting above 20 miles per hour at times. Skies will be dry. We'll just maybe have a few passing clouds, decent amount of sunshine, but it just won't feel nice at all. Here's Monday morning when you head back to work, or some of us because there's a holiday coming up on Monday, -teens to 20s again. Again, skies, not much going on there. Monday afternoon, -5. We still keep that cold pattern going into Tuesday. High pressure passing Tuesday morning will drop our winds temporarily, but that allows our temperatures to drop as well. When you get high pressure early in the morning passing up, that's when you get those really cold mornings. So -15, here's your wind chill Tuesday morning, and then a front passes through here during Tuesday. So first our winds shift to the south and west. That begins our warm up. By Wednesday is when now we've got wind chills in the teens. That's our warm up. And then a passing front could generate a few flurries possibly on Wednesday. And then a little bigger push of cold to cooler air, let's call it, come in some energy movement in from the northwest on Thursday could also bring us some snowflakes. Nothing major, at least as far as accumulations, at least this far out. The rest of tonight, it's going to be dry, just very, very frigid. -1 if you look at your thermometer here in the Des Moines area, just -20 when you factor in that breeze on your skin. So there's that milder air, in other words, just returning to normal as we head towards Wednesday and beyond. Temperatures go into the 30s. That front that moves through Wednesday, at least it doesn't drop us too much. We go from above freezing to just below, and then we'll just kind of oscillate back and forth with temperatures in the 30s during the day and then teens and 20s at night into the upcoming weekend, a week from now. Again, no major weather systems. We've fallen quite a bit far behind now on snowfall, and we're not looking to make up ground in that department for the foreseeable future.